Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with any one pair of its opposites parallel. Quadrilateral means four sides closed figure is called as quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, one pair of opposites are parallel. In this, see the ABCD trapezium. Here AB and CD are parallel lines. So this is called as trapezium. What is the definition for trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with any one pair of its sides parallel, any one sides. So here AB parallel to CD. So any one pair of its sides are parallel. So AB equal to CD. In this trapezium, AB parallel CD and AB equal to A units and DC equal to B units. You draw the perpendicular line between two parallel lines. So perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides equal to h. This is called as the height of the trapezium. So height equal to h units. So AB parallel to CD, AB equal to A units, CD equal to B units and height h unit. In this trapezium, AB parallel to CD, AB equal to A units, CD equal to B units and height equal to h units. So, area of the trapezium equal to half into h into A plus B. So, first you add the opposite parallel sides. Next you multiply h and divided by 2, you get the area of trapezium. So, area of the trapezium equal to half into h into A plus B square units. Next we saw the sum. Find the area of the trapezium. Here A equal to 10 cm, B equal to 8 cm and height h equal to 6 cm is given. You find the area of the trapezium for the given values. So, A and B are the opposite parallel sides. H equal to height of the given trapezium. So, first you write the formula for the area of the trapezium. So, area of the trapezium equal to half into h into A plus B. So, half into h into A plus B is the formula for the area of the trapezium. Now, you substitute the value for h, A and B. So, here A equal to 10 cm, B equal to 8 cm and h equal to 6 cm. You substitute the value in this formula. So, half into 6 into 10 plus 8. First you add 10 and 8. So, 10 plus 8 equal to 18. So, 1 by 2 into 6 into 18. Here 2 table you cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Next you multiple 3 into 18. So, 3 into 18, 54 centimeter square. So, area of the trapezium equal to 54 centimeter square. Next sum. A equal to 7 cm, B equal to 9 cm and h height equal to 8 cm is given. You find the area of the trapezium. So, first you write the formula for the area of the trapezium. What is the formula for area of trapezium? Area of the trapezium equal to half into h into A plus B. Here A, B, h values are given. So, substitute the values for A, B, h in this formula. You get half into 8 into 7 plus 9. So, first you add 7 and 9. So, 7 plus 9 equal to 16. So, half into 8 into 16. 2 and 8. 2 table cancel by 2 table. So, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So, 4 into 16. 4 16s are 64 centimeter square. So, area of the trapezium equal to 64 centimeter square. Next sum. Find the height of the trapezium whose area is 600 meter square and sum of the opposite parallel sides is 200 meter. Here given area and sum of two opposite parallel sides are given. You find the height of the trapezium. Here given area of trapezium. So area of trapezium equal to 600 meters square and sum of the opposite parallel sides. So A and B are opposite parallel sides. So sum of the opposite parallel sides equal to A plus B. So A plus B equal to 200 meter is given. Now you find height of the trapezium. First you write the formula for area of trapezium. So area of trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b. Now you substitute the value for this given. So area of trapezium equal to 600, h you didn't know, a plus b equal to 200. So 600 equal to half into h into 200. 200. So cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 100 2s are 200. So 600 equal to h into 100. Here multiple 100 it goes to opposite side becomes divide 100. So h equal to 600 by 100. So 600 divided by 100 we get h equal to 6 meter. So area equal to 600 meter square and the sum of opposite parallel side is 200 meter. Then we get h equal to 6 meter. Next sum, find the sum of the opposite parallel sides of the trapezium if area is 800 meter square and height is 40 meter. Here given area. So area of trapezium equal to 800 meter square and height h equal to 40 meter is given. So you find the sum of the opposite parallel sides of trapezium. That means you find a plus b. So a plus b equal to question mark. So first you write the formula. What is the formula for area of trapezium? Area of trapezium equal to, what is the formula? Area of trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b. So area of trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b. Now you substitute the value for area and h. So area of trapezium equal to 800 meter square and h equal to 40. You find a plus b. Here 1 2 is 2, 22 is 40. So 800 equal to 20 into a plus b. Multiple 20 it goes to opposite becomes divide. So a plus b equal to 800 divide 20. So 0 0 cancel. 80 by 2 equal to 40. So a plus b, sum of the opposite parallel sides a plus b equal to 40 meter. So area of trapezium is given, height is given. You find the sum of the opposite parallel sides. So first you write the formula for trapezium. So trapezium, area of trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b. Next you substitute the values. So 800 equal to half into 40 into a plus b. Cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 22s are 40. Here 800 equal to 20 into a plus b. Multiple 20 it goes to opposite becomes divided 20. So 800 by 20 equal to 40. So a plus b equal to 40 meter. So sum of the opposite parallel sides of trapezium equal to 40 meter. Thank you.